How to apply the cartoon effect. To add a cartoon effect to your image, simply go to the Home tab and click the Effects button. Select Cartoon from the Image Effects near the bottom of the list. Continue watching this tutorial for more details on how to apply the cartoon effect with PhotoPad. The cartoon effect transforms your image to give it a whimsical, hand-drawn look. Open your image in PhotoPad, then go to the Effects tab. Click on the More Effects button, then choose Cartoon under the Image Effects near the bottom of the list. The cartoon layer will be added to the Effects and Layers on the right side of the screen. Edit the layer option to customize the cartoon effect for your image. Select Graphic Novel or Poster for two different cartoon styles. Use the color palette to select your preferred color scheme with the graphic novel style. Select how many colors to include with the poster style. Use the saturation, edge strength, and detail sliders to modify the cartoon effect. For more PhotoPad tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.